music. This is Jackie on the red carpet of the Alternative Press Music Awards, and I've got Memphis Mayfire. I've got them all. It's the best selfie ever. Now, you guys just re-released your album. You sure did. 2 days ago? 3 days? God, 3 days ago. What was the impetus? What first caused you to decide to sort of change things up a little bit and tweak things because you weren't happy with the first version as much?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, bands put out records every 2 years, 3 years sometimes. Halfway through our cycle, we were going on a Warped Tour. We wanted to give the fans something exciting and fresh to listen to, and to, for our band to just stay relevant with the scene right now. It's fun to be able to do something like that where there's 2 new songs on it, there's 2 acoustic songs. And yeah, when the record originally came out, a lot of the production in the background didn't stand out the way that it was supposed to. Kellen put a lot of work into that. So with the remix, remaster, it's all there, it's all present, it's all right forefront, and we think it's a better version. We want everyone to hear it.
Kellen, what's your favorite updated song?
That's a good question. No one's asked that yet. I don't know. I really like Divinity. That's still one of my favorite songs. Yeah.
Okay. And you guys are on Warped Tour. What makes for a good live performance?
Days that aren't too hot.
Yeah, a nice cold breeze, even.
Honestly, because it's so hot on Warped, anytime a breeze comes in during the set, it makes you feel really emotional. You're like, God? It comes in, you're just like, oh. So we like the days that aren't too hot.
It's definitely a spiritual moment. We'll stay tuned for much more. From Memphis Mayfire, be sure to pick up their updated album. This is Jackie, thanks to All Access and In the Key of Change.